Thank you, madam. Thank you very much for your kind words and for your kind introduction. And I don't know how much true it is.
It is
Anyway,
true.
I am really, Madam Captain Pillai and all team members and all the principals and teachers of the school. Really, I am amazed to be with you in this virtual program, and it is a great pleasure of mine. And to be very honest, I'm just in last 5 6 minutes. I'm feeling that I would love and I will be thankful to God if He can give me again an opportunity to become a student of any of the school, and I could able to memorize my childhood times. Really grateful and really thankful to you all, and thankful to uh, all principal. Madam, though what I'm feeling is that uh, I always love to learn from the teachers, and I have something very special regards for the teachers. Let me tell you why. Because the moment I joined this virtual program, I started memorizing my school days. I started memorizing my teachers, then my secondary school teachers, then my college teachers, which are unforgettable. So I'm a very small person to tell anything about the teachers, and I have no words to appreciate their contribution. Here, I also would like to add one more thing. One of my daughter who is pursuing PhD from US. So after completion her MS, she didn't opt to go in job. And I asked her, "Ki, why you have opted pursuing PhD? You never shown me the interest going in the academics. Why? What made you to go to choose this field?" What she replied me instantly is that, ki, "Dad, this is the only profession where I can contribute to the society." I'm very grateful to her also, and she's also in the similar line. And I'm happy to share with you all that last year she's already working as a teaching assistant, and she's also teaching the undergraduates. तो क्या कर रही है वहां पर, एक अमेरिका में जो है वहाँ इंडिया के जैसे, इंडिया से ज्यादा देर दे डिस्क्रिमिनेट बिटवीन मेल एंड फीमेल, फॉरगेट अबाउट द ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट, मेल एंड फीमेल में भी वो बहुत डिस्क्रिमिनेट करते हैं. एंड हर वन ऑफ हर प्रोफेसर, शी इज 60+, so she is already on the research of how she has already submitted the paper to American government, that how we can overcome from this problem, because there in US also the females, they do not opt for the professional qualifications. So her that professor, I'm unable to recall her name. So she has submitted paper to the American government that आप जो है, whatever the forms you are getting filled in, whether it is a school admission, whether it is a college admission or university admission, should remove this row asking for the gender. So that way she has come across with very good professors over there, and I'm really happy that how she is building her career in that line. So I am already very much fascinated towards this profession. तो मैं आप सब टीचर्स से आई हैव a request that you please don't consider me as that I am giving you some, मैं कोई आपको उपदेश दे रहा हूँ या आपको कोई सजेशन दे रहा हूँ, मेरी वो कैपेसिटी नहीं है. And I always try to learn from the teachers. Till my lifetime, I will be keep on learning from the teachers. And let me tell you that when I came over here at Kalyanpur in 2018, and when I first attended one Independence Day program in the school itself, that was the, I think, first day I went to the school. I visited the school. It is a Hindi medium school. That school, the earlier management also used to provide free education. So I think one can understand who are the parents, those who will be putting their words in a school where the free education is being given. And the previous management was even not paying salaries for years together to the plant executives or plant workmen itself. So how much support they must be getting from the management to the school itself. But when I discussed, I listened to the students, and when I heard about their speech in Sanskrit, in Hindi, in English. Let me tell you that I was so amazed on that day, and I thought, if had I been given to talk like this, I may not be able to. And continuously, we enjoy this Independence Day and this Republic Day celebration uh, of the school children's. So, in the Republic Day celebration, when I entered to one of our plant campus football ground, so I realized, yeah, I'm in the function of some very big public school. It was so great. Maybe the Dalmiapuram school or the Rajendra school may be doing something very big or something very different. But here, why it is a note to appreciate this Kalyanpur school is that there are no resources available to them. Yes, our great principal, the way he is managing and the teaching staff, the whole credit goes to the teaching staff, the way they are giving their services for the building of the career of these children's. They are the future of our country. And then I realized why this. I used to hear that the maximum number of IAS, IPS, in medical students, the engineering IITians, they are from state Bihar. The ample amount of this talent is available over here. And I have, this is my third year. And I always used to ask Principal Sir that I would love to interact with these students. But anyway, since I could not give more time, so even I would love to, before leaving, I had be superannuating in March 21. So I would like to give some as much as time to this school as it is possible. So this is about the Kalyanpur school. What I feel is that for the students and it is my very basic request to the teachers. What I have felt through in my life, as far as for the science student is concerned, see, the student will carry the thing which has been taught by the teachers. It is very difficult for any individual to unlearn the things what he has learned in the school times. He may be able to unlearn the things which he has been taught in college or university, but it is very difficult for an individual to unlearn what he has learned in this school. So
Yeah.
it is a huge responsibility of the teacher that they should teach them the concept properly. Because I have also come across, madam, once upon a time, this teaching learning curve. So teacher, he himself has studied something, then he has understood and part of it. Then some part of it he could able to deliver to the students. The student will receive a certain part of it. Then a certain part of it only he can contribute to the society or to the organization. So it has to be done very carefully. Here I would like to quote an example that I have also found that a statement is there, friction makes the movement slower. I'm again repeating these 5 words. Friction makes the movement slower. Anybody can tell you that this statement is true. But how people, those who are understanding that this statement is true, So this indicates that we normally misread the concept. I'm not telling for the teachers, I'm telling for the students. This I could able to realize when I first met Mr. Bansal in Kota, which is a hub of coaching institutions of our country. Now, Mr. Bansal, he himself is an engineer. And I think in late 80s or mid 80s, he suffered paralytic attack. What happened then? He started thinking that one or the other day, this organization will ask me to leave because he became bedridden. He cannot work as an engineer. Then he left the job and he started taking tuitions. So from taking tuitions of 2 students, see such a big, huge empire he has developed. When I met him in 2003 or 2004, at that time also he was on the motorized wheelchair. So while discussing with him, I could able to understand that normally we misread the concept. And when I met him and I saw in that Kota, that institute, I think from each and every state, the students were there. And 95%
under the TV.
95% above the students have scored 99% or 100% in their 12th standard. So he told me that रणवीर साहब ये मेरे जिन लोग 100% स्कोर किया आई टेल देम दे आर नॉट बैड. मैंने कहा फिर क्या करें then he tried to make me understand that is the reading the concept properly, and then they give the tips to the students that how they can apply this concept for solving the problems. So आपदा में अवसर, Mr. Bansal is a best example. And the second example is Madam Rosetta William and Captain Lessa, and the teachers whom all I am seeing it. So how turnaround Mr. Bansal has done for the society, for the students, and for our country. Similarly, is Abda mein, Avsar mein, you people have given me also an opportunity to talk few words. Now, I also here I would like to give more thrust upon the time management is also one of my favorite subject. Why the day I became to know is that when I studied a research done by a social scientist, most probably Mr. Peter Drucker. तो उनको दिमाग में ये आया कि that God has given only one element or thing in this universe to every living thing an exactly equal amount, and that is time. 24 hours is fixed for everybody. So then he started thinking that then it must be very effectively utilized. So how this time management can be done, and then what he did the research is that he found that the average human being life is around 70 years. So what then a human being does in this is in his entire 70 years of his average life. He came out with basically any individual, he does two type of activities. One is maintenance activity and the another is the productive activity. In his research, he could able to find that only an average human being contributes 12 years of his life for the productive. Just 58 years of his, 58 years of his life, he contributes into the maintenance activity. And there only two factors are there where he has a control. Those two factors are, one is traveling and commuting, and second is sick, illness, oblique rest. So traveling and commuting, you can plan in such a way that in how maximum time also you can utilize for your productive work. And second is illness oblique rest is how best you can keep yourself fit. So one of my trainer, he suggested me that we must give minimum 1 hour every day to ourselves. So that 1 hour, it can be for your exercise, physical exercise, yoga, if one can do yoga, so there is no other way out of it. And then meditation and all. So by these controlling by from these two factors, one can save 6 years, 2.5 years from traveling and commuting, and 3.5 years from sick illness oblique rest. So an individual can make his life productive contribution to a total 18 years. I would also like to my Kalyanpur school teachers and students that they should not bother about that they are from an Hindi medium. Definitely, the way Madam is leading this school also, we will make it to English medium, and we will ensure that the students enjoy the English medium education also. I never found that my Hindi medium students are anyway, they are less from any of the English medium school. So here also I would like to quote one example. In just recent past, I was going through a case or interview of one IPS, Mr. Manoj. He is, I think, presently DIG somewhere, maybe in Mumbai or so. He is originally from MP Bilaspur. So when he was going around in his final round of interview, so he was very frankly asked that आप तो हिंदी medium से हैं, how you will be able to manage the administration. So he became nervous, and so the interviewer asked that gentleman, okay, you please have a water. So he replied, Mr. Manoj replied, साहब मैं स्टील के गिलास में पानी पीता हूँ. So in the question itself, the answer was there. So one should not feel कि जो है हम हिंदी मीडियम से आते हैं. मेरी प्राइमरी एजुकेशन मैडम अजमेर के वन ऑफ द बेस्ट पब्लिक स्कूल से हुई है, सेडान स्लम से. ठीक है, मेरे पिताजी का कैरियर पूरा उसी स्कूल के अंदर भी था. और पता नहीं क्या some reasons, then my father shifted me to a Hindi medium school. English medium school से class 1 से 5th तक I studied, and when I entered into the Hindi medium school class 6, तो 6th 7th और 8th तक की इंग्लिश के टीचर जो है अपनी जगह पे मेरे को खड़ा कर देते. तो क्योंकि वहाँ इंग्लिश हिंदी राजस्थान के अंदर इंग्लिश जो है वो 6th क्लास से शुरू होती है, ABCD भी 6th क्लास में सिखाई जाती है. तो एनीवे ऐसे बहुत सारे हीरोज हैं हमारी कंट्री में जो हिंदी मीडियम से आए हैं, और बिहार में आके तो मतलब आई एम हाईली अमेज्ड. Number of IAS and IPS I have met those who are from our nearby villages. Whenever they come, I used to get an opportunity to meet them and to have time with them. So ये सब है. और मैडम मैं I don't want to take your programs more time into it. Once again, my special thanks to you all. And Captain Sahab, I think it must be from defense. So for the defense people also, I have some very special regard. Last but not the least, let me quote you one more incidents which I have come across. I think in early 90s, there was a world over recession. So I was going through an article in Times of India where it was written that which are the professions which will never face recession. So in that professions, the number one profession rated peon. चपरासी की जो नौकरी है उसमें रिसेशन कभी भी नहीं आएगा. Then they rated the doctors. इस प्रोफेशन में भी रिसेशन कभी भी नहीं आएगा. Then they rated defense. If one opt going into the defense, there will be no recession. And the last one, which is most important, is that they say the teaching profession. इसमें कभी भी recession नहीं आ सकता. That is why in US, the professors can be in service till they are fit. They do not have any retirement age. They never superannuate them, the professors. So in Western countries and most of the developed countries, the people left their job and they opted teaching profession. So this is all great respect to all of you. I hope you will try to understand my feelings in very small words. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Banveer sir, thank you.